Okay, we're gonna go on a quick test drive here. We have 50,000 miles on the odometer, and you would never know based on the condition of this car. It is absolutely gorgeous inside and out. This interior is very, very clean. One of the cleanest I've seen, especially with these kind of miles. Looking at the steering wheel, the alignment is a little off center, but the car is driving perfectly straight though. No issues there. I'm gonna hit on the brakes kind of hard here. Brakes feel solid. No problems there. Shifting nice and smooth. Suspension feels good. The cabin's really quiet. Very, very nice. Okay, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Just checking out, this paint is insane. Beautiful color shifting. Looks super cool. Here on that wheel, overall in great condition. 275/40/17s. Date code looks like it is 2019. That looks good. Here on the side mirror, a couple spots of bug etching, a few small rock impacts. Upper side looks good. That lower side's in great condition. Looks like this is popping out just a little bit, or the alignment's off just a hair. That could be from the factory. It's very subtle. This paint is absolutely gorgeous though. Really, really nice. There is a crease right here on the body there, if you can see that. It looks like a couple small chips. I don't see any other chips though, so if you get that repaired, it should be a nice clean finish minus those two little chips. Looking at that wheel, looks good. That looks awesome. Got the T-tops removed. Now that I'm looking at it, if you look at the edge of the hood here, that's flush. This one pops up. The alignment is off a little bit. Maybe you can raise the edge of the hood up to be more flush like that side. Little chips there, small chip here. Light marking there. And you're gonna have a few little impacts and a few small chips. Very, very minimal though. Do see some little spots in the paint here. A little spot there. A couple chips on that edge. You have the 3 holes here already drilled out, so putting a license plate cover here would be easy. Couple little spots, a few little bug etching. Overall though, for the mileage, that front end is really, really nice. Love the color shifting. I see a lot of green now in that. Very light marking right here. That wheel looks good. That lower section's looking nice. Got a little chip there. Couple on that door edge. You can see that kind of goes up the whole section, and you have a larger one right there. You can see a chip out of the edge of that. A little chip there. So this area has the most imperfections I've seen just so far, so still very subtle for the year of this car. That looks good. A little gash right there, it does catch my nail, small chip. Checking out this, a few light markings. That looks really, really good though. Tail light is in great condition. That looks good. Do see some flaws there. Back of that bumper looks good. Two small chips there. Couple small ones there. Otherwise, she looks really, really good. Checking out the interior, it is all gray here, so hopefully that shows up in camera good for you. Man, it looks super good. Really, really nice. That panel is amazing. A lot of them have massive cracks here. From what I can tell, that is perfect. See some slight separation in that corner there on the leather. A few little markings. That's perfect. I mean, look at the graphics. They look really good. Lower section looks nice. That trim looks really good. Honestly, nope. Okay, so there's factory hole. So that's not a rip. That's a factory hole, I believe, because there's the exact one right there. That bolster looks good. A little bit of wear on the edge here. Upper section looks nice. The bottom's nice and clean. Looking at the steering wheel, that's in great condition. That looks good. Here on the upper side of the dash, looking for any cracks. I don't see anything there. Got the Alpine here. That looks good. I mean, you'd really never know this car had 50,000 miles based on the condition. That stuff looks really, really nice. All right, checking out this door panel. I don't see any cracks on there as well. Little marking here. Otherwise, that looks really good. Carpets look amazing. That trim is nice and clean. Honestly, looking at this seat, that is a 9.9 out of 10 condition to me. It looks incredible. I know it's a little dark back here, but once again, all of that's in great condition. All right, scanning through the engine bay here. It's in phenomenal condition. All that plastic up there looks really good. And then checking out the underhood liner, that is really, really clean. Beautiful, beautiful car. This looks really good. Awesome install. Nice and clean. Really cool. I love enclosures like this. Carpet's in great condition. Has that OEM look. Really, really nice. All right, when you flip up the headlights, they're perfect, but when you drop them back down, you do hear that motor. And then it goes away. Now, get close on the glass, you're gonna see some imperfections there. Otherwise, that looks good.